Guys, if you want to create images with AI for free of cost, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to use Google AI model Gemini in its app version for creating stunning images. You can create more than 4 images at once. First up, let's create something truly surreal. How about a dreamscape? We will include elements like a giant clock melting over a tree, floating islands in the sky, a river of stars, and animals that are combination of different species. That's going to be well. Here, Gemini model start processing the prompt for creating the images. So check out these images. It's like stepping into a dream. The melting clock and the river of stars and those fantastical animals create a truly unique and mesmerizing image. This is the kind of creativity that Google Gemini AI can do. We can press generate more button for creating 2 more images, and we can also download the image by clicking the download button. Next, let's travel to the future. Picture a bustling futuristic city at night with the towering skyscrapers adorned with neon lights, flying cars zipping through the air, and the advanced technology seamlessly integrated into the urban environment. We are going for a cyberpunk vibe here, so let's press generate. Google's AI model start generating my second image with my prompt. It's not the incredible, the neon lights and the high tech elements really bring the futuristic city to the life. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Just imagine the possibilities with AI generated art. We can create anything here in an image format. Here, by clicking 3 dots button, you can share your public link of your chat to your friend also. For our final image, let's step into a fantasy world. Imagine a landscape with floating islands, cascading waterfalls, and a vibrant sunset. Sound amazing, right? Okay, we are waiting for Gemini. What Gemini can create here? It's saying certainly. Okay, it's going to show. Wow, it's look amazing. Uh, I truly like the Google's Gemini image generation model. It's incredible. The dragons and the floating islands. It's very good. By using Google's free image generations model, we can use it for creating book covers for YouTube channel logos. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching my video.